Today we would like to explain about the global variable in Python. So you see here variables that are created outside of the function are known as global variables. If you declare any variable, that variable is outside the function in Python, that is called global variable. You see here global variables can be used by everyone, both inside of the function or outside of the function. So you see x equal to Rashama. I created here. Again I created one function my func. So inside the function I written one print statement welcome to x. If we run the program, then we can see welcome to Rashama, that is output. Apart from that, though the x is outside the function, I am using that x variable inside the function. Because the x is outside the function, that means x is a global variable. That is the case we are able to use the global variable outside the function or inside the function. We see the result of this 3 lines code. I am running this program, so expecting that the result is welcome to Rashama. You see here welcome to Rashama. That means x is the global variable, though it is declaring, we are able to use it inside the function. So this is the one case to understand the global variable. I will show you the another example to more understanding about the global variable. You see here here I created one x variable as a global variable. After that I created one function my func. So here again I changing the global variable value to software. That means global variable is declared there and assigning the value, but inside the function I am changing the global variable value, then printing here. You see what is the output on here. Inside the function we are printing the x value, and outside the function also we are printing the x value. That means if we will inside the function case, the x value will be software. Outside the function, for this line, the x value will be Rashama. We will see the output. I am running this, I am executing this program, then we will see the result. So here you see the first line is inside the function, the print statement. Python is the software. That means x value get changed inside the function. And the second is the Python is the Rashama. That means x is the global variable, so though we are using outside the print statement, so it is a Rashama. So that is expected. Like that it will be the this is the way to change the global variable, that is the option, and we can use the same variable outside the function. Again I will show you another option or another way to use the global variable. That means earlier we declare the global variable without global keyword, but in this case I created one function. Inside the function I am using the global keyword to create the object, create the variable x. So in this case, so if we declare any global variable inside the function also, the same variable we can use outside the function. Okay, so outside the function also we can use. For this case, here I declare the x is the one variable inside the function and assigning the value Rashama. But outside the function I am using the x value. We will see the output. What it will be the output. So this is the another way to create the global variable and use the global variable. Okay, so Python in Rashama. The result will be Python in Rashama. That means Python in till this is our x is the Rashama, means though x variable declare inside the function, but while declaring the x value defined by global variable, global keyword, that is the reason we are able to access the x variable. This is the one way to understand and write that and declare the global variable. Here I will show you the another way to use global variable as per our requirement in our project. You see here x equal to Rashama, that is a global variable, and again created one function. Inside the function also I created the same variable name with the global keyword, changing the value. Now we will see the output, how it is. I am executing the small program, and we can see the result is Python is the software. Python is the software means initially here x is the Rashma. After that, while executing this function, though it is the same, it is assigned to software. After that, we are printing, so the x value will be software, because though it is a global variable, right, it is overwriting. That means it is changing the global variable value. So these are the options, these are the ways to declare and use the global variable in our Python program. Thank you.